Hello everyone, and welcome to the Affiliate Marketing Express, where my goal is to uncover and reveal the insider affiliate marketing secrets. I will expose insider secrets from successful affiliate marketers in order to give you an unfair advantage in building your profitable affiliate marketing business. In this video, I will continue to dig deeper into my list of skills that are necessary to be successful with affiliate marketing. For today's topic, I will cover copywriting. Before I continue, let's find out exactly what copywriting is. Copywriting refers to the art and skill of creating written content for various mediums, such as advertisements, websites, marketing materials, and promotional campaigns, with the aim of persuading and influencing the audience to take a particular action. The primary goal of copywriting is to engage and captivate readers, compelling them to respond positively to the message conveyed. Effective copywriters conduct thorough research to gather insights about the product or service, market trends, and consumer preferences. Copywriting is a versatile skill that is utilized in various forms of communication. A successful copywriter knows how to convey a compelling message using concise and persuasive language. With the rise of digital marketing, copywriters now write for websites, landing pages, search engine optimization (SEO) content, pay-per-click (PPC), ads, social media campaigns, and more. They understand the importance of incorporating keywords, creating engaging headlines, and crafting content that is shareable and optimized for online platforms. Now that we have a better understanding of what the art of copywriting is, let's see what's necessary for us to be successful in the art of copywriting. When it comes to copywriting for affiliate marketing, there are several key aspects you should understand to increase your chances of success. Here are some important points to consider. 1. Know your audience. Understanding your target audience is crucial in affiliate marketing. Research their demographics, interests, pain points, and motivations. Tailor your copy to resonate with their needs and desires, addressing their specific problems and offering relevant solutions. 2. Product knowledge. Gain a deep understanding of the products or services you are promoting. Familiarize yourself with their features, benefits, and unique selling points. This knowledge allows you to communicate the value effectively and highlight how they can solve the audience's problems or improve their lives. 3. Establish credibility. Build trust with your audience by positioning yourself as a knowledgeable and trustworthy authority. Incorporate testimonials, case studies, or personal experiences to demonstrate the effectiveness and credibility of the product. Transparency and honesty are key to establishing long-term relationships with your audience. 4. Focus on benefits. Rather than solely emphasizing the features of the product, highlight the benefits it offers. Explain how it can improve the lives of your audience, solve their problems, or fulfill their desires. Paint a vivid picture of the positive outcomes they can achieve by using the product, creating a strong desire to take action. 5. Compelling headlines. Craft attention-grabbing headlines that immediately captivate your audience and make them want to read further. A powerful headline should create curiosity, highlight a key benefit, or pose a question that resonates with the audience's needs and desires. 6. Persuasive storytelling. Utilize storytelling techniques to engage your readers emotionally. Weave narratives that connect with their experiences and aspirations. Stories evoke emotions, making your copy more memorable and relatable, ultimately driving them towards taking the desired action. 7. Call to action, CTA. Include a clear and compelling call to action in your copy. Directly instruct your audience on what action they should take, whether it's making a purchase, subscribing to a newsletter, or clicking a link. Use action-oriented language and create a sense of urgency to prompt immediate response. 8. A/B testing. Experiment and optimize your copy by conducting A/B tests. Test different variations of headlines, copy length, CTAs, and formatting to determine what resonates best with your audience. Analyze the results and make data-driven decisions to continuously improve your copy. 9. Compliance and ethics. Adhere to legal and ethical guidelines when promoting affiliate products. Clearly disclose your affiliate relationships and any potential biases. Be transparent about the benefits and limitations of the product, avoiding misleading or false claims. 10. Continuous learning. Stay updated with industry trends, copywriting techniques, and marketing strategies. Follow successful affiliate marketers, read relevant blogs and books, and participate in communities where you can exchange knowledge and learn from experienced professionals. By understanding these key components of copywriting for affiliate marketing, you'll be better equipped to create compelling and persuasive copy that drives engagement, conversions, and long-term success in your affiliate marketing endeavors. I hope that you found that this information was helpful, and thank you for watching my video. Remember, success belongs to those who take action. Thank you for watching my video to the end. I'm happy that this video has helped you. Please like, comment, and remember to subscribe, so that more entrepreneurs may be made aware of this valuable content. Until next time, may your affiliate commissions keep rolling in.